Hello everybody, and now has been a couple months of owning my HP SmartTank Plus 651. So I wanted to inform you guys how I feel about this printer, and I do want to start off by saying is I love that HP does include a 2-year supply of ink. That has saved me a lot of money, especially in my business. I do print out over thousands of papers a week, so that has literally saved me trips to the store to buy more ink, so I do like that. I do want to also say that the feeder has worked perfectly fine. I've had no hiccups with the feeder at all. I have not had it jammed or anything like that. And since I am working really fast paced, I do need that to work perfectly fine. And then by opening this little top part up, I expose the scanner, and the scanner has worked amazing as well. It fits A4 paper perfectly like that. I've had no issues with any documents having all the details. Everything's scanning perfectly fine. The printing itself prints out really nice. It is really crisp. All my documents have a bunch of detailed information. So HP has done a really good job at having fine detail in that. So everything that does print out of this printer comes out crisp, clear. The color is also amazing. I do print out family photos in this printer. So all the colors are really vibrant, and I have no issues with that as well. Obviously the screen right here, I do not have it on right now, but no issues at all. With the displaying, everything works fine, and the best part is it's really easy to refill that tank. So you just open up the front panel, just do it a little bit nicer, less like me instead of me. And the best thing is it made it really easy to refill the tanks. So you just pull open this front panel right here, and you have all 4 caps showing you what exactly to put ink in. So black, we have yellow, we have magenta, and we have blue as well. So it's really easy to refill the tanks on the ink, so you won't have any issues with that. And obviously right here on the bottom, it does have this little tray stopper, so any paper that's overfilling doesn't fall out of the printer. And to finish off, I do want to say that the wireless connectivity is really nice in this. I do have the app, so on my phone I could send any photos or documents straight to this printer, and it prints out immediately. I say it takes like less than like 10-15 seconds for this printer to receive that information and print it out. So yeah, that was just a quick little update and review of this printer right here. So hopefully this video did help anybody that's looking to purchase this, and that'll be everything. Have a good day.